Some basic sentence. Had, ID पढ़ा पढ़े. I had to talk, मुझे बोलना पड़ा. I didn't have to talk, मुझे नहीं बोलना पड़ा. Did you had to talk, क्या तुम्हें बोलना पड़ा. Didn't you have to talk, जब हम नेगेटिव बनाएंगे तो have to आ जाएगा. तो didn't you have to talk, क्या तुम्हें नहीं बोलना पड़ा. Why did you have to talk, तुम्हें क्यों बोलना पड़ा. Why didn't you have to talk, तुम्हें क्यों नहीं बोलना पड़ा. Like this. I had to kill my wishes because of some problem. I did. It's didn't or didn't. Both correct. I didn't have to kill my wishes. Did I have to kill my wishes? Didn't I have to kill my wishes? Why did I have to kill my wishes? Now, why didn't I have to kill my wishes. Like this. Pain of separation, जुदाई का दर्द. Starvation, भूखमरी. Therefore, that's why, hence, so, इसलिए. It's a vocabulary. Now, will have to. ID पढ़ेगा, पढ़ेगी, ना होगा. Rule, subject plus will have to plus main verb first plus object. Come what may, you will have to come. चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए तुम्हें आना पड़ेगा. पढ़ेगा, पढ़ेगी. Have to, will have to. Future sentence. You will have to do something or the other. तुम्हें कुछ ना कुछ करना ही पड़ेगा चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए. You will have to take wine. You will have to sing a song. You will have to get kicks. पढ़ेगा, पढ़ेगी, ना होगा. Remember. You will have to keep patience. First of all, you will have to talk 7 rounds of sacred fire. It's take, not it's take. So first of all, you will have to take 7 rounds of sacred fire. Means sacred fire means वो अग्नि कुंड के 7 फेरे लेना something. Now you will have to laugh or weep. You will have to beat him. You won't have to beat him. Will you have to beat him? Won't you have to beat him? Why will you have to beat him? Why won't you have to beat him? Like this we form will have to sentence. Couldn't, could not. ID सका, सकी, सके. पाया, पाई, पाए. Rule, subject plus couldn't plus main verb plus object. Sorry yaar, I couldn't attend your marriage party. Like this. Couldn't. Couldn't, it's slightly a polite word. Couldn't, could. I couldn't help you. I couldn't inform you. Sachin couldn't make century. India couldn't win the match. I couldn't get you. मैं तुम्हें नहीं समझ सका. I couldn't save him. मैं उसे नहीं बचा सका. He couldn't bear the pain of separation. वह जुदाई का दर्द नहीं सह सका. I couldn't complete my promise. मैं अपना वादा नहीं निभा सका. You should know I couldn't have food. तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए मैं खाना नहीं खा सका. Like this. Yesterday suddenly I had to go to Jabalpur in order to my work at the instance of my father. That's why I couldn't come to coaching. Please forgive me. Like this. Now it's my homework which I learnt English like this. आज सबसे पहले मुझे खाना खाना है क्योंकि कल मुझे कॉलेज जाना पड़ा था अपने दोस्त के साथ, इसलिए मैं खाना नहीं खा पाया. हमें खाना समय पर लेना चाहिए. तो आइए इसका सेंटेंस फॉर्म करते हैं. सो टुडे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई हैव टू टेक फूड बिकॉज yesterday I had to go to college with my friends. That's why I couldn't take food and we should take food on time. Like this. Now Luna means चांद. Lunatic पागल. Ramble सैर करना. Casual means बहलाना या फुसलाना. Casual बहलाना या फुसलाना. On the contrary बल्कि. On the contrary means बल्कि. I think we should stop here. Till then, bye bye.